Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. In this video, I would like to demonstrate the versatility of a wok, particularly a stainless steel wok. Most people think of the wok mainly for stir frying. However, as you can see in this video, making a spaghetti sauce actually starts with stir frying. And then you add other ingredients and make it into a sauce. In this video, I would like to demonstrate to you that stir frying is just another cooking technique, and it could be used to cook any cuisines other than Chinese. I think you will be surprised by the efficiency and also how flexible the wok is for various types of cooking functions. People generally do not want to cook anything acidic such as spaghetti sauce in a wok because anything acid will remove seasoning from the surface of the wok and will cause them to rust. However, you don't have to worry about with stainless steel wok. And with my spot seasoning method, you can always restore non-stick property to the surface of the wok. I stir fry about 8 ounces of ground pork sausages to about 80% done, and then I add some jalapeno pepper. This is then followed by the addition of some chopped onion. And both of these are in my advanced prepping, so it is relatively easy. I added the chopped jalapeno pepper because I like to get a kick in the spaghetti sauce. However, I did not add a whole lot of it because I don't want it to be too spicy. And next, I'm going to season this dish with some of my basic seasoning mix. You can season it with whatever that you would like. I use this seasoning mix anytime that I want to enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients. This seasoning mix is relatively mild, and I use the seasoning agents that I draw from my masala dabba. So as you can see, you are basically creating the sauce by stir-frying the ingredients in the wok, which make it more efficient. And next, I'm going to add some zucchini to the wok. With advanced prepping, all my ingredients are ready to go. So to me, it's just a lot of fun that I can pick and choose of what type of ingredients that I think will go best. And this is a good example of the combination of template-based cooking and flavor chasing. I'm using a basic template and making modification and adjustment based on my taste preference as well as what is available to me at the time. I discovered when you cook a dish with ground meat that always things got stuck to the bottom of the wok that came from the meat. If something like this happened to you, I will use the spot cleaning method to detach them. This will not only prevent things from getting worse, but it will also allow you to return the flavor to the dish. The spot cleaning method is very effective. It allows you to clean the wok as you cook. I'm going to start out with some canned diced tomatoes, followed by some tomato paste, and finally I'm going to add some tomato sauce. This is a combination that I discovered that works best in create the type of tomato sauce that I like for the spaghettis. Here I mainly use canned product, but quite often in the summertime, if I have excess tomatoes from the garden, I will make my own tomato sauce. However, this canned tomato product actually works quite well, and they are quite inexpensive. This is definitely a convenient and economical way to go. I use these 3 different types of tomato product because this will allow me to have a better control of the texture of the sauce. As you can see now, the sauce is actually quite thick. I'm going to adjust the thickness of the sauce by adding some water to it. The reason I use the tomato paste because it already has a thickening agent in it. Otherwise, I will thicken the sauce with the use of cornstarch. However, in this case, I don't need to do that at all because the sauce seems to me just about the right consistency that I'm looking for. So the sauce is almost done. The final step is that I'm going to add the ingredients which I would not want to cook too much, such as some portobello mushroom. And this actually is very similar to stir frying, that you add the ingredients that you want to cook the least toward the end of the cooking process. Okay, finally, I'm going to add some fresh tomatoes because this will give the spaghetti sauce a freshness that comes from the fresh tomatoes. By stir-frying the ingredients in the beginning of the cooking process, cooking this spaghetti sauce is quite fast. The total cook time is only a little bit over 10 minutes. I use the wok to cook every component of this dish. I first start out by cooking some pasta noodles in the wok, which turn out to be perfect for this purpose. In fact, I don't think there's any other cooking utensils that is better for boiling pasta noodles. And then I use the wok to bake bread for dinner. By choosing the right wok, you can use it for many different purposes. This video demonstrates the multifunctionality of a wok as well as its ability to cook different types of cuisines. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.